Mike from Loch Nature's Off-Road. So the other day when I was filming a walk around video, I noticed my exhaust hangs down a bit below the rear bar. It'll probably scrape when I go off-road. So today, I'm going to get my angle grinder, I'm going to put my PPE on, I'm going to trim it down so it doesn't scrape when I go off-road. Let's go. Well, that was a fail. Didn't think I was on the ramp properly and gave it another shot and ended up falling over the edge, over the back. Lesson learnt out of this as well. Don't put your tools behind the ramp, because back tire landed on the angle grinder and smashed it. Broke the guard and the disc. The angle grinder still works, so got to go to Bunnings, get a new disc and see if they've got guards. Try not to do it again. Right, so I'm back from Bunnings, got a new disc, so take two. So I made it up on the stand without any issues this time. Time to chop that. Chopped. Right, no more exhaust sticking down. There you go guys, that's take two of the exhaust getting done. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Take it easy.